This video is showing the retrieval of data from extended event session from remote servers. I use catalogs control to add the feature, and in simple words, or the flow explained in simple words, is this. At launch, we are asked if we want to enable any data retrieval, and it is also retrieve information from tables related to extended event about which servers are audited and what is the timestamp for each event name in each instance which was parsed and inserted in the table supposed to store the data. In the left side, we can remove or add servers from the list of servers on which we will pull the XML data stored in the extended event session. Modifications made in left side are displayed in the right side, and if executed, then they are persisted to the database table and to the in-memory object we use to loop through instances to pull the data. The retrieval of the data or data pulling is done in parallel for instances, but on each instance, the pulling of the data for each event is done sequentially. I don't know if displayed until now, but at some point on bottom left side you will see 6 or 12 rows showing for each instance the event name that was captured and how many rows of that event type were retrieved. Once data is retrieved, we have the options to consume it, actually more, but I exemplified only 2. We can use some drill-down charting as we did for performance control, or we can add the tables in the mini DIMS control and retrieve data there. The work on this feature is far from being finished, and the most important thing is to try to improve its performance or adding more value to the data gathered. The problem is that I am developing this application on the cheapest Azure VM on which I have installed already a lot of other things, and I cannot have another 5 to 10 SQL instances in order to check how the code behave. As mentioned in other posts, my application is just something that can be used as a backbone for something else. To put it simpler, it is giving its future developers a free pass of spending 40 to 60 hours speaking with ChatGPT, free ChatGPT, implementing the advices, testing them, launching SQL Server Profiler, watching the things being executed, making different modifications in GUI to check if everything works as expected. For an average DBA, 40 to 60 hours means at least 1 week of work, which can translate to at least €500, I would say. What I am saying is that companies should build their software in-house because, to some extent, take my application for example, you can do a lot of things yourself.